What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Alright, I'm in the lab right now. I'm doing some inventory. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what's going to be up and coming in the new in store for the DCYOP brand. Alright, got a lot of big things coming, and we're going to get right into that right after my intro. We back. So like I said, I'm doing some inventory. I just recently did a vending event, and I pretty much like depleted like my stock, which is a good thing. It's not, I'm saying that it's always good when you're making some lucchini, baby. You know what I'm saying? So it's time to restock, man, and re-up. I'm saying, with some new designs. It's still summertime, so I got to come back through with some flavorful stuff. All right, I've been selling like a lot of those my basketball shorts, my Me Frosty's, my Unfamous, and my We Major joints. So I just recently designed some new tees. All right, it's gonna be it's the summertime capsule. All right, I'm coming out with the splash tee. I'm coming out with the tropical tee, and I'm coming out with my Unfamous. I don't know what I'm gonna name my Unfamous one yet, but it's very, very vibrant. And I just want to show you guys the type of the lane I'm going to be headed in, you know, this summer, as far as like color schemes. All right, now this is like a neon. Ooh, this neon green tee. Brought to you by Next Level. Nice soft tee right here. Alright, that colorway is, whew, this color is fire, man. I'm a sucker for some neon green, man. And this Next Level t-shirt, fire. Alright, I like to go with Next Level. I like to go with Bella Canvas or All Style. And I like to go with the Anvil lightweight sometimes too in the summertime. All right, now that's the lime green joint. I haven't put the as you can see, I haven't put the images on the shirt yet. But we're gonna be going with some purple as well this summer. This purple's pretty dope. Same Next Level. Then you hit him with the banana, baby. Yeah, so I'm trying to go like real, like vibrant colors this summer, because my designs are gonna be real vibrant. You know, that's what my customers been asking for. That royal, Hey, we gonna kill them. We gonna style on them. That's pretty much it. That's all I got right now. I gotta get the samples made up, y'all. But I'm gonna be going with like some hot pink as well. I'm gonna keep it funky with y'all. I'm kind of upset today because I had went out and I bought some more materials, and on my way home I left them shits on the train, man. So hopefully I can get them back, because I spent a lot of money on them. Contacted Lost and Found. Hopefully, you know, somebody finds my bag. They say it take like 3 to 5 business days, you know, for them to either, you know, locate the property in Lost and Found. Well, whatever, that's here nor there. If I don't get it back, hey, it's whatever, man. You win some, you lose some. I just have to purchase this stuff again. But I'm kind of like feeling like some hot pink this summertime too. Oh, let me show y'all this too. Like, normally, you know what I'm saying, you go with the poly bags that you give your customers and you ship out the garments in. I'm gonna be hitting my customers this time around. I bought these nice recyclable cotton bags in bulk. I'm gonna be putting my logo on these bags, you know, packaging up, you know, the merchandise and sending it out to the customers. All right, these weren't that expensive either. They might have been like, I can't even remember. I gotta check the receipt. Maybe like $1 a piece or something like that. But you know, it's just something different outside of, you know, the normal plastic poly joints. Oh, let me show you guys something else. Now, on the low, I didn't show you guys these before because you know, I'm still like in the design process, and these are basic. All right, now I got some all black cotton sweatpants here that I got the small Me Frosty logo on the left leg, but I'm gonna be going vibrant, like I said, with the tees. I'm gonna be going vibrant as well with the shorts, so I didn't really want to show off the black version as well. This is just a sample. So there's the black, similar to, you know, the People's Champ sweatsuits that I was hitting y'all with this past winter, but we're gonna go with the shorts this time around. All right, boom. So be on the lookout for those too. All right, now I'm just gonna put these back over here on my sample rack. Other than that, y'all, that's it, man. You know, keep grinding. Like I said, I'm doing my inventory. Excuse me, because I'm walking around in here, just making notes of everything, making notes of all my supplies. I got my little handy book. I write my notes down and stuff like that. And I'm ready. I'm ready to rock and roll this summer. I mean, I've already been killing them, so I got to continue on. Like I said, my stock is like real low right now, which is good, but that means I got to keep creating. All right, now before this video ends, you know, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure I hit that bell notification so you never miss none of my latest content. And I hope you guys are working. You know, I always say this. I hope you're working hard on your brands, man. And I'm working hard on mine. And don't get down on yourself. All right. If you're feeling low, you feel like, you know, you ain't moving, you know, the amount of product, you feel like you should be moving, just be patient. You know, be patient, or, you know, switch it up. Switch up your designs. I don't know, switch up your marketing schemes. Do what you gotta do. Because at the end of the day, you are the brand. The brand is you. Alright? That's pretty much it. So y'all make sure y'all be on the lookout for my new garments. And that's it for this one. Let me get back to, you know, my inventory. Till next time, baby. Hey, I'm sorry. Forget about I apologize for my, you know, my appearance too. Like, I just got out the shower, you know what I'm saying, hopped out the pool, you know what I'm saying, getting comfortable right now, but the work gotta get done. Get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.